Slow down. You excited?
Yeah, sort of. I don't know. How come their heads are out of their parents' heads are out of the picture?
Because the parents don't matter to this story. That's why. Look, there's the grocery list the mom has.
It's Chuck. We looked and we saw him sitting on the mat. We looked and we saw him. The cat in the hat.
Make that cat go away. You do not want to play. He should not be about when your mother is out.
Why, we can have lots of good fun if you wish, with a game that I call Up, Up, Up with a Fish.
Look at me. Look at me. I'm the cat.
With a cup and a cat on top of my head.
Our fish came down too. He fell into a pot.
Do I like this? Oh, no, I do not. I will pick up the book. You will see something new. I call them Thing 1 and Thing 2. They are things, oh, so tame. They have come here to play. No, not in the house.
So the fish in the pot?
They should not fly kites in a house. They should not.
That scare you?
Your mother is near. So as fast as you can, think of something to do. You will have to get rid of
So as fast as I could, I went after my net. I bet with my net I can get those things yet.
Oh dear, you did not like our game. What a shame. What? Beautiful boy, we cannot let them get away.
Have no fear of this mess.
Said the cat with the hat.
I always pick up my playthings, and so I will show you another good trick that I know.
Then our mother came in and said to us to.
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
Should we tell her about it? Now what should we do? Well, what would you do if your mother asked you?
What'd you think? Hey, thanks for watching. I release theme park related videos at least a couple times a week, so press that subscribe button if you made it this far. Also, check out similar videos in the playlist to the right or find my newest video to the left. Thanks again, and let's go!